We're just putting some marshmallows in it now, mixing them around. Me and my friend, we're gonna be crazy and we're gonna, hang on, close it.
Put it up to there.
A full minute. We can't see though, so we can't tell.
I gotta wait. Little bits of a trick, kind of.
Yeah, we need a plate. Hang on, folks, we need a plate. So all these will work.
Dude, this is already gooey.
Dude,
The fuck?
bro, it's on my YouTube channel.
Start.
Go a full minute, now we can see again. We're
This
gonna make
looks
it
amazing.
super big.
Oh!
You can't tell nothing.
It's expanding so
You
good.
can't see nothing.
Put it up to this here. I'll show you how it'll look. Whatever, guys. Can you guys kind of see that little white thing in there? Yeah, those are all the marshmallows.
Yeah, my friend's holding the camera right now.
Yeah, I kind of think we should take them out.
No. Last 25 seconds.
Oh my god. Guys, we are expanding this off of the plate almost. Dude, do you see the white thing like right
Oh my god.
there? Ow.
You don't make more after.
No.
Bro, please.
No.
I need a couple videos at least.
No.
We'll go for like 2 minutes.
Oh my god. Dude. Oh, dude, this is expanding. Dude, I was getting super scared.
That's the end product.